Yeah, baby, they're right here. They're right
Who
here.
would have thought that I was I'd be the tallest person in... Oh, never mind.
Okay, no. Okay, the first contestant, Carl! Please, Carl. Fuck off, just get over here. Yeah! Got the pancake mix right here, and I'm gonna give you guys a generous portion each of you. Just so you guys know what a nice host I am.
Quackity, please.
Pick up the remains, old man. There you go, there you go.
This is elder abuse!
You fucked up my floor!
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Just to be clear, we watched. Alright. We're good. Alright, that's how old people entertain themselves.
We trying to make the best pancake? Here we go.
Yeah, absolutely.
What are you
absolutely.
doing?
On my kitchen counter? Where on my kitchen counter?
Are you serious right now?
Actually, are you serious, bro?
serious.
Like,
I think
actually, like, jokes aside, like, actually,
Wait, this isn't a bit?
like, jokes aside, this made me
Are
so
you
uncomfortable right now. Whatever, you can crack whatever you want in my counter. Like, whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Okay.
Oh, you fucking muffin!
Hey, you clap!
You
Clap over there, Quackity!
you've got a massive dump truck.
Yeah, I do have a nice
yes, you
arse,
do.
don't I?
What did he say?
Hey. Oh no.
Absolutely.
He needs some milk.
The food's right in front of you, you fucking donut.
Yes, chef.
We're gonna add tortillas to your blends.
All right, well,
You're gonna have to figure this out. I'm
I know how to
figure
do
out for you. No, you gotta.
Do you have a
have to figure
blender?
it out. A blender?
You have a blender?
Yeah, right.
Wait, blender?
Disgusting!
When you choose my hand.
Of course. Oh, wow, you're so nice. You're the nicest guy in the world. Stop there. Stop.
You need more flour.
Okay, I just stopped it.
Stop the music.
Is mine too thick?
Gave you
A
one
wannabe pancake
special
can't convince me
fucking
otherwise.
ingredient,
Love you
Carl.
lots, good
And
luck.
what the?
No.
I'm sorry, these pancakes are
garnished.
so disgusting.
Final product.
You're so smart. You're so
What the heck?
smart. You're
Garnishing.
I wanna hear a yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Chef, yes, chef.
Chef,
yes, chef.
yes, chef.
Yes.
And
What's this
linguine.
then? What's this then?
What's up?
Respectfully,
generation,
please
generation.
use this money
Hey,
to
it's-
invest in culinary
The
skills.
monster. I can't.
Why you
but
bullying
need to
me?
understand respect. Adding a little hot dog.
All right.
Carl! No!
Wait, stop.
Carl, no.
I'm adding a glizzy and some
Carl.
glizzy juice. A glizzy and
Carl!
To
Of
respectfully
sugar in.
pass away.
Let's go. Hey, I don't hear a thank you, chef.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you, chef. All right.
Thank
Wow.
you, chef.
What's this?
Pretty.
I'm trying my best to not.
The marshmallow.
Mine was fantastic. Look at your face. You know, growing up in New York in an
This
Italian
steam ran
family,
over my children.
I had to learn a lot about cooking, and that's why I knew.
All right. Oh, I don't care. All right. Get this.
Chef.
Thank you, I Leo.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Chef.
Are you okay? No, don't worry. It's funny to you, chef.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, I.
So you thought that was your place to
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
All right.
Is that Febreze? Wait, stop! I have to tend to my thing. We're giving special. Where is it? No, not there.
Why are you fucking looking at me? You're looking at food. All right.
What did you
Hey,
say?
Carl, I think I might.
The fuck you put fucking pets in my.
Hey, excuse me. Beep beep beep.
All right. What's this? What's this then? Real chefs wear turtlenecks.
What's up, chef? But really, it's not about the presentation, it's about the taste. Chef, I present to you.
No, it's not. Whoa, chill, man.
Actually, it's good. It's apple cider. Oh, no, I can't see. I can't see anything. These are my sunglasses that are too dark for me to see.
What's this then?
Yes, chef. The first reaction is.
Plus 3 more. It is a 5-star. Yes! Yes! I've won.
Guys, but honestly, and kind of like jokes aside for a second, I think the real winner of this competition, and really the real winner of all of this, like so, is the person with enough determination to clean my kitchen. I think that's who really takes a real
Yeah,
prize.
you really did do a good job.